This is the hands-free remote-controlled chimpanzee puppet from Axtell Expressions. And what a character he is! The hands and the arms of the chimp are posable. He can hold objects like a microphone to tell monkey jokes or sing a song.
Hey, hey, with the monkeys. Oh, yeah.
Or even hold a banana.
Bananas are a healthy snack.
The arms can be posed in any position.
Huh?
With the optional animated arm, you can control both his shoulder and his elbow, so he can wave a magic wand in your magic show. Or anything else you can dream up. Add a guitar and he can provide your show with more fun than a barrel full of monkeys. Come join the hands-free remote control puppet revolution.